Welcome everyone. Sometimes you have to work on the project code remotely and there is a need to restart the power on the device. The idea arose to create a very simple power management device for USB ports. I had a cheap USB hub available that became the basis of a weekend project. As a controller, I chose the popular blue pill board, which will connect to one of the ports of the same hub. In my case, I chose the first port. As you can see, the price of these hubs is quite low, which makes them attractive for DIY projects. Preparing the hub involves removing 3 switches and 1 USB port to which the blue pill board will be soldered. The switches can be replaced with specialized power delivery chips. But since I was in a hurry to make it to the long weekend, I used a P-channel MOSFET-based circuit as the control driver. You will need as many drivers as you plan to make the ports manageable. The management interface must be universal and work under any operating system, so I chose the USB-C DC mode to emulate a serial port. To switch the interface for a 4 or 7 port hub, pin A6 is provided. If you connect it to ground, the interface will change to control 6 ports. When you press Enter on the keyboard, the status of the ports is updated in the interface. The control command consists of a port identifier and a command to set the port status, separated by the character. You can control one or several ports, but you must put a space between commands. The port status is displayed in numbers 1 and 0, so it is easier to perceive the information. For an example of operation, I connected a 512 MB USB drive to the hub. You see that the STM32 and the USB drive in the device tree are located on the same hub. Let's see how it all works together.